Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dre the Bread Talker, and I am incredibly excited to bring to you today this tutorial on how to fund your KOT4X broker for your Tradelocker web trader via Cash App. So, again, before we do get started, be sure to select the subscribe button down below. Right? Make sure you select the subscribe button down below. It'll be great for the algorithm. It'll be great for the feedback, and it will help keep you in tune to all the things that we have on our Bread Talk Investors channel. And also, please select the like, go ahead and leave a comment, share the information, share the value. This information is to be shared. Do not be a hoarder of valuable information. So let's go ahead and begin. Again, select the subscribe button, and we're going to go ahead and commence with the information. So get your pens and pads ready, take some notes, follow the steps step by step, and let's go ahead and get your account, your broker account funded. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and log into your KOT4X Broker website. That's www.kot4x.com, and select the login button. You'll see that in the upper right corner. Remember, you're going to need a broker account set up already and have access to your Tradelocker web trader chart to place trades. Also, you'll need to make sure that you have money in your Cash App to buy Bitcoin, because you got to buy the Bitcoin to fund your trading account with this particular type of service. If you don't have money readily available, or you're unsure how to do it, there's going to be some steps inside of this tutorial that's going to help you. Also, if you don't have a KOT4X broker account, I do have a training. It's called How to Set Up Your KOT4X Broker. You should be able to select the option in the upper right or the left, or it'll definitely be down in the description, okay? Go ahead and select that link if you have not set up your KOT4X broker account before. And again, like I said, share the wealth. All right, so after you log in, ladies and gentlemen, next thing you're going to do, you're going to come to your dashboard menu via your cell phone or electronic device or mobile device, or you'll be on your desktop. But go to the dashboard menu, and I need you to select deposit. Okay, now that you have verified your account, again, you're going to select deposit. You're going to choose the option that's over here to the right. Choose the option as viewed on the left. Be sure to adjust your amount in USD. So what that means is you're going to come over here. After you choose deposit, you're going to select in the box for deposit type, you're going to select Bitcoin BTC. You're going to choose add money to your wallet, or you can also do platform too as well. I believe there's a bigger fee for that, but just go ahead and select wallet, then select a wallet. Go ahead and select the name of whatever your wallet is, to USD, $0, and put whatever the amount is, right? I know I have $1,000 here, but you can, whatever amount of money that you want to put in your trading account, that's on you. Go ahead and put that money in there. Now, I will say this before you do put this money in there. When you do a Bitcoin transaction, there are fees that it's included. So whatever the amount that you're doing, I would suggest that you add just a little bit more money to fund your account, right? And again, you can't create a live account. So if you have issues with you attempting to create an account, just know that you have to add funds to your broker account first, and of course be verified and stuff. But once you have all that information, go ahead and select go to payment. Okay, select go to payment. Right, once you go to payment, this box is going to appear. There's going to be a timer right here, so you got about 60 minutes to complete this process. You're going to copy the address, right? Copy the address or the QR code for Cash App. So you're either going to scan this QR code from your mobile device, or you're going to copy this Bitcoin address right here and place it inside of the Cash App when we get to that step, okay? So let's keep all that in mind. Your next step, be sure that you added money to your cash balance. So from your Cash App, if you have not added money already, go ahead and select this button where it says add money, and then your Cash App should be already connected to your bank account or whatever it's supposed to be connected to withdraw money from, to put in. You want money placed into your cash balance area. Then once the money is available in this area, you're going to select Bitcoin, right? Select Bitcoin from Cash App. Next, you're going to come to this next window right here. From the Bitcoin choice, I need you to select buy. That's this option right here. So you may have money in your Bitcoin wallet already, and you do if you're unable to get to the screen already, because quite possibly you may not have already created a Cash App account already. There's a verification that you're going to have to go through. Just go through those steps, follow those steps, and once you get verified, you'll be able to fund or be able to purchase Bitcoin, and you'll come to the screen. So for those who do have an account and you're already at the stage, I need you to go ahead and select buy. From the buy Bitcoin, choose the amount you want to put in your trading account. If the amount isn't available, choose the three dots. So you're looking here on the screen, you see 50, 100, 250, and so forth and so on. If you're not, if it's more or less, right, or somewhere in between, you want to select these three dots right here. If that's the case, select it, then choose next, right? From next, you're going to come to the screen right here. Because you selected three dots, you're going to need to type in your number. So if you choose a numerical amount, right, great. But if you choose the three dots, type the amount you want to transfer. Afterwards, choose next. You will need to confirm your order, so be sure to verify everything is correct. And please recognize that there will be a fee charge. As I said earlier, you may want to increase the amount to compensate what the fees will take away from your broker account, right? Now, after you confirm, right? Remember I said about fees, so always check your fees. It will vary. The more money you are transferring, of course, is going to be a greater fee. So just keep that in mind. And then your total cost will be here. Now, after confirming, you will need to add your credentials. Either it's your PIN or use your fingerprint. I wasn't able to screenshot that because it does not allow you to do so. So again, once you select confirm, either you can do your fingerprint if you have that set up, or you can do your PIN, whatever your phone's PIN is, or your mobile devices is. All right, next. Choose done at the bottom. This, you should come to the screen. It says you bought whatever amount of BTC, right? Whatever that is, which is Bitcoin, right? You should now see a dollar amount in Bitcoin. After you choose done, there should be a dollar amount here. Okay, so whatever that dollar amount is, remember whatever is there already, plus the money that you did minus the fees for the exchange, right? So after that, next you want to go to the main Bitcoin screen, which you are here, and you want to choose the up and down button. This should be available now, the up and down button, right? After you see the up and down button, choose send, right? After you hit the up and down button, choose send down here, because you want to see send or receive, transact with any Bitcoin wallet. All right. So either you could choose the box in the upper right, or the scan, or you can scan the QR code. So up here, once you choose send, you're going to come to this button here. This is the upper, this is where you get the QR code. So if you're on your mobile device, and let's say that you're doing the transaction for your KOT4X, you're doing it directly from your computer, right? You can use that, scan the QR code that was provided, like in this diagram you see right here, or you can scan, or you can send the Bitcoin, or excuse me, or on the send Bitcoin screen, which is this, choose the dollar symbol, right? Put the dollar symbol, and instead of the Bitcoin symbol, because it may have that B with the dollar symbol there, change that so that you're not putting in the Bitcoin amount. Or you can, like we did on the previous screen, when we did the transaction from this right here, this send Bitcoin amount, right? So you can use that too as well. All right. So go back to your KOT4X broker account, You can do BTC amount here, and it will fluctuate. The price will fluctuate because it is an active and it's in a volatile market, still moving. Hopefully, you're making money while you're waiting for this transaction to go through. So don't be alarmed if you see that. Now, with that being said, like I said, there were two ways to do it. Either put your BTC amount in, or you could do the dollar amount, right? After you do that, though, go ahead and select send, right? You can select the blue up, down button arrow to change it, right? From BTC to dollar and dollar to BTC. Next, all right. If you're you got one diagram here where we're sending via BTC address, remember the Bitcoin address, or we're doing the QR code. So I explained earlier about the QR code. That's that option right here. Once you select that, you'll scan the QR code from your computer screen. But for the BTC address, right? This is the address that you copied down here, right? This address right here, you should have copied this address already. So if you didn't, go back and copy that address. Preferably, it's better to do this when you're on the same device. This way you're copying, and then you can easily navigate to your you can easily navigate back and forth between KOT4X and your Cashapp on your broker account. Either way, get it. You want to make sure that you verify and check that all the information is correct, because if there is a number off, once this money is sent, it's gone. Right? It's gone. So do your due diligence, right? So after the choosing, what I said here, if you're choosing a BTC, add your Bitcoin address from your broker account and then press select, or choose next. If you are choosing the QR code, after selecting the icon in the upper right, point your device to the QR code provided from your broker. All right. Let's keep going. All right. So you're going to go once the transaction has been done from your KOT4X broker account, you're going to go to deposit, and down below, you're going to see deposit history. Deposit history, you should see an orange status. So if you're on your cell phone, you're going to want to turn it sideways, and then you can scroll across the screen. On your desktop, you should just see it playing out, right? Or just move over a little bit on the screen, and you'll see your status. It should be an orange status saying that for a pending order for the amount for you to be deposited. Now, this project will take some time to be approved through the blockchain. Typically, it takes 30 minutes to an hour, right? So it's got to be confirmed. It's got to go through a blockchain authentication. Once that process is done, it says, hey, great, transaction is good. And hopefully it doesn't take long. But if it takes any longer than 30 minutes to an hour, I would recommend in the lower left corner, go ahead and select in the lower left corner, excuse me, real quick, go ahead and select this little icon that you see right here so that you can speak with the help desk in the chat. Okay. Next. You're almost done. You're almost done. We're just about done. This is the point where you're looking to see your transaction approved. Well, after you come back after the 30 minutes to an hour, or quite possibly it might be even less, right? You should see approved. It's going to be a green button, right? It's going to a green dot, and it's going to say approved. You'll see an available amount in the upper left or the right corner, right? Typically, it's going to be in the upper right, right? Now, you will now need to do an internal transfer from your broker's wallet to your Tradelocker. So I know I get a lot of questions sometimes. Hey, Dre, Bread Talker, where's my money? I did the transfer. I see the money available in the upper corners, but I don't know what to do next. It's not in my web trader. All right. So that's why you need to do an internal transfer. So you're going to go to the dashboard menu. Go ahead and select internal transfer. Okay. Select internal transfer. Then now you're almost ready. Once you select internal transfer, look at these options here to the left. Your transfer type is going to be wallet to trading platform. You're going to transfer whatever that amount is, right? Tradelocker, you want to put the name. It's going to have your account number here and transfer to, and your account or whatever. If you have a balance in your Tradelocker account, it'll show here. If it's 0, then let it be 0. Here, right here, your amount to be transferred, you're going to put either the amount that you want to transfer, or you're going to just select max. All right. Afterwards, once everything is correct, you're going to choose request transfer down here at the bottom, and the amount will be readily available in your Tradelocker web trader account. Now, listen real quick. Don't forget, when choosing transfer to, ensure that you select the right amount or right account number, right? So you may have more than one live trading account. So you're going to click into that box and just make sure you're selecting the right account. This way you won't get yourself mixed up or confused, okay? Just food for thought. All right, next. Guess what, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to your Tradelocker. You are now funded. If you're on a desktop or device or a tablet or some sort, your balance will be reflected here. Whatever that amount was that you transferred, it'll be added right here in this section. Now, if you have a cell phone or a mobile device, you're going to select this little icon in the upper right corner. It should be like a little greenish, yellowish color like lime, and it'll be a dollar symbol. It looks like an S, but it's a dollar symbol. You're going to select that, and in that box, it's going to show you what your deposit is. And everything should be there. You can find out your deposit history and stuff like that. All right. So I hope this information has been really great for you. Now, these steps are subject to future changes because these devices, Cashapp, they've made several changes my time over the last few years on how they go step by step on how to implement these changes. But be, just stay aware, stay abreast. And if there are any changes and you so happen to notice, please leave a comment down below. As of what is this, January 2025? That is the results. Again, my name is Dre, the Bread Talker. Again, be sure to select the subscribe button down below. Be sure to select the like, share this information, and please leave a comment. I want to say thank you for coming and learning. Now, again, each one must teach one. So continue to build, bridge, and empower, and continue to grow. Talk to me.